Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you a tutorial on how to use the CubieBlue Alarm Clock. It's just a simple alarm clock. You could use it as clocks or maybe alarms so you could wake up for school or something. Alarm for like getting dressed or not oversleeping too much, or yeah. So here are the power things that we could use. Is the speakers on the side, the Bluetooth device, the thing that we're going to use for changing the alarm clock or the time. This one's the dimmer and snooze button. Okay, so let's go try this out. Here's also the paper. There's also colors in white too, so let me just do it up. Okay. So here's the time. Over here, it shows over here is 1:04 right now. Here's the alarm set to 7 p.m. So let's go have an example by opening this one on how to use and change the alarms. So this one is the white one. Looks kind of gray. So comes with the screws, so make sure to be careful for that. Children using it or children opening the box. Here it just shows alarm clock, Bluetooth device, where you put speakers, put sound on it, put music. Here, let me open this. It's just to take out first. Open it. Here, then we gotta take out 2 of them so that the wires, so that it doesn't get any damage on it. So open here, then that one, then the next one, and then here. It has the same features except it is a different color as the black one. So here's the black one, and here's the white one. So I'm going to connect it, take out the protection cord, and I'm going to plug it in onto the cord. So here it shows the time. It is not 4:07. So if you want to change the alarm, you gotta click on the top part. You can turn on the alarm, and then you could move it up or down to change the time. Or you could just click on it again here, or click on it again to turn it off, turn it back on. To change the time, you have to click on the snooze and dimmer button. So hold it for about 6 seconds. And then here shows the date, the year. Click on the top button. The month. So I think it's the month. Yeah, it's the month. So I'm gonna change it to 7. And then click on that again. And then choose the day. I think it is the 11th. Right there. And then you change the time. So it is currently, let's go see. So you could connect on top of here. It's currently 1:08. So I'm gonna click on this again. Make sure to change it like really fast so that you gotta restart. Click on this again, this, And the time is 1:08. So here's the 1:08. I know it's mirrored because it shows 1:08 on here. It is brighter than the video that you guys see right here, so it is literally brighter. Here's the Bluetooth device. And then it'll show like the power cord and stuff. Turn it off too. Here are the power cords. So I can just connect the black one onto here. Let's see if this one works. So I see here. It works on the top of here. Or you connect to your phone or anything. Connect to your power cords. Basically anything of charging your phone, charging a lamp or anything like that. Just in case. Here are just, I think just this pads over here. And then the nails over here. Make sure to watch out for the kids who are opening this. And make sure to let a grown-up help you on putting like the nails and stuff, because it is really dangerous to have nails. Okay, so I know this is strong, but it's fairly messy over here. So here's the black one. The black one should be connected. I'm gonna connect it to the power cord. Here. Okay. Just dimmer it a bit. So the white one is really light, so you can see over here. And the black one's really darker, but it doesn't like show your bright face. The white one is a lot lighter though, since it is a white one, and it won't show in the black if it's black. So if it's here, this one's bright, this one's like grayish. Yeah, they're both like white. This is like white, the color. So yeah, basically, I think that both of them are pretty cool. I think they both have Bluetooth devices to connect to with music, anything like that, like a speaker, since there is 2 speakers on the side. Compared to both, it's like the same thing, same features, all that. Yeah. Basically, I think that the white one is more brighter. If you want, like, if you have like white furniture and stuff, I would recommend this one. If you're more like a dark person and doesn't like that much light onto your face or so, you could also get the black one, or you could choose both. It's fairly cheap actually. They're both, I think there's other colors. Make sure to check out the website for CubieBlue, so that, yeah. So over here, it's both off. I'm going to turn this one on. And then I'm going to change the time. 7 o'clock. Because this is for my brother's room. So, yeah. So, he needs an alarm clock. And, yeah. The white one is pretty good too. They're both good. Here's the box that comes with it. It will say the color on here. So this one's a white one. And then over here is a black one. The color black. The quantity is 1. The net weight is 2.29 pounds and 1.04 kilograms. So yeah, basically made in China, all that. Yeah, so yeah. I hope you like this video, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification for more other videos or more gaming videos or all that. So yeah, bye.